According to the Quran, there are several verses that mention qualities or actions that Allah loves. Here are 10 verses that highlight some of the qualities and actions that Allah loves. 1. Indeed, Allah loves those who are constantly repentant and loves those who purify themselves. 2. And spend in the way of Allah from what we have provided you before death approaches one of you and he says, "My Lord, if only you would delay me for a brief term, so I would give charity and be among the righteous." 3. And hasten to forgiveness from your Lord, and a garden as wide as the heavens and earth, prepared for the righteous who spend in the cause of Allah during ease and hardship, and who restrain anger, and who pardon the people. And Allah loves the doers of good. 4. Indeed, Allah loves those who act justly. 5. Indeed, Allah loves those who rely upon Him. 6. Indeed, Allah loves those who are patient. 7. Indeed, Allah loves those who are constantly mindful of Him. 8. And do not consume one another's wealth unjustly or send it in bribery to the rulers, in order that they might aid you to consume a portion of the wealth of the people in sin while you know it is unlawful. 9. Indeed, Allah loves those who are mindful of Him. 10. And compete with one another to hasten to forgiveness from your Lord and a garden, i.e., paradise, as wide as the heavens and earth, prepared for the righteous. These verses highlight various qualities and actions that Allah loves, such as repentance, charity, righteousness, justice, reliance on Allah, patience, mindfulness, and seeking forgiveness.